निबंध लेखन 1. द इंडियन फार्मर भारतीय किसान. India is a country of villages. A farmer lives in a village. He is an important person in our society. An Indian farmer works very hard. He passes a hard life. Early in the morning, he goes to his field with his bullocks. He works hard from morning till evening. India is an agricultural country. The farmer is the backbone of the country. He is the feeder of the world. So government must try to improve their economic condition. Then India will progress. Second, my first day at school. विद्यालय में मेरा पहला दिन. Yesterday was my first day at school. I went to school with my father for admission. There I saw many boys with their guardians. Some boys came with their friends to continue their studies. The building of the school impressed me very much. The principal's office was the center of attraction. Some teachers and students were reading newspapers in the library. When I got admission, I went to classroom. Seats were arranged properly. My class teacher, Mrs. Sharma, was talking to students. When I entered the classroom, I said, "Good morning, ma'am." Mrs. Sharma was pleased. She asked to sit. After some time, the bell rang and the school was over. Third, the newspaper. Samachar Patra. The newspaper is an authentic source to know happenings about the world. It brings us news, whether it is political, sports, inventions or otherwise. Newspaper also carry various articles on health stories, analysis and children section. The newspaper gets its news from several agencies like UN. Every newspaper has number of correspondents who visit various places to gather news. All the news thus collected is fed into a computer. The news is distributed on all the pages of the newspaper according to the importance attached to a news. A more important news is printed at the front page, while less important news is published in the inner pages. There are some pages in a newspaper for special news. There are generally specific pages for sports, business, etc. It is an important medium to keep ourselves informed of the happenings in the world around us. Fourth, environment pollution. Environment pollution is the biggest problem in our country. It means adding impurity to environment. The environment consists of water, earth, air, etc. If we pollute them, the existence of man and nature will be harmed. There are many cases of pollution. One of them is smoke. Smoke rises from our kitchen and workshops. It gives birth to carbon dioxide. It pollutes our environment very much. Other causes are filth from drains and deposits. We throw garbage here and there. It causes pollution increase. To stop pollution, we should avoid cutting trees and plant more and more. In such way, we can be helpful in stopping environment pollution.